don't have questions, my friend, you have excuses. And excuses will never end until you decide that it's going to end. This is what God said to Moshe when he gave him the Torah. Moshe said to Hashem, "Dear God, why you wrote in the Torah, let's make a human being like our image, like our shape? What is this? People would think there's more than one God." Moshe says, "Hashem, you're making a lot of Jews fall into this trap. It says, let's do. Who's let's do? You and another God? God forbid. Say, I will do, not let's do." Guess what God answered me? He could have said, "I know people would fall into this trap, but I want you to write it anyway." That could be the answer, but that's not what he said. This is what he said. Just write it. הרוצה לטעות יבוא ויטעה. Someone who wants to be mistaken will be mistaken one way or the other. Write it. Don't worry about it. What do we learn from here? It's shocking, shocking. What are we learning here? That the person first decides to make a sin and then he chooses sins. If a person decides not to sin, his entire life is different. A person that wants to make mistake will make mistake. Who wants to make mistake? Who? Who wants to make mistake? Hashem said to Moshe, someone who would want to make mistake will find where to make his mistake. I wrote 10 times in the Torah, I'm the only God. There's no other God beside me. There's no one before me, no one after me. You should not have another God. You should not have a son of God. You should not have any idols. How many times I say it in the Torah that I'm the only God?